Hello friends, you can see this error. Reboot and select proper boot device. If you are a Windows 11 or 10 user, you often see this error. So, what to do next? How can we fix this error? Let's see. We will try to solve this issue. First, enter the BIOS setting, restarting the PC with pressing Del key. You can see the BIOS setting here. We will check first the boot order. Here you can see the Windows Boot Manager on the boot option 2. So we have to enable this one, Windows Boot Manager, in the boot priority 1, boot option 1. Simply go to the boot option 1, press enter. With up arrow key, select Windows Boot Manager. You can see this is the SSD where Windows is installed. Then enter. Now you can check the CSM parameters. Here all are okay. We can press escape key, then press F10 key to save the setting. Press F10 and see, save the configuration and exit. Yes. Now I will see whether the problem is solved or not. Press enter. You can see now it is booting up and the Windows is loading. Yes, solved. In this way you can solve this type of error with your own efforts at home also. So thank you for watching.